You know you need an emergency fund. But let's be real, the biggest question is, where do I find the extra money? What if I told you that most people can easily find $500 extra a month just by making a few minor tweaks to their daily routine? To make this happen, we are going to break down our spending into 3 distinct buckets and hunt for easy wins. First, we are hunting down hidden subscriptions, unused memberships, and those little daily drains that quietly bleed your account dry. Next, we audit our utility bills, grocery spending, and everyday essentials to find where costs can be safely trimmed. Finally, we set up an automated transfer so your savings grow every single month without you having to lift a finger. So, pay the minimums on your debt for now and stockpile your cash until you hit that $1,000 mark. Because when you have that safety net in place, you can finally breathe a sigh of relief and sleep peacefully at night. Now let us look at the classic 50-30-20 rule, which splits your income into needs, wants, and savings. First up is the 50% bucket, which covers all your absolute essentials to keep your life running. Think housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation, the absolute non-negotiables that keep your life moving. Next is the 30% bucket. This covers lifestyle choices like dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. Be careful not to confuse wants with needs. A daily coffee run or shopping spree feels good, but it isn't essential. Audit your subscriptions. Cancel the ones you barely use and free up cash fast. That extra cash you free up goes straight into your emergency fund. Watch it grow faster than you expect. An emergency fund is money set aside specifically for life's unexpected events, like car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job loss. It gives you peace of mind and stops you from going into debt when unexpected things happen. Most experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses in your emergency fund. If 3 to 6 months feels overwhelming at first, start with a smaller goal like $1,000. That's a fantastic first win. First, calculate your monthly essentials, things like rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and insurance. Multiply your monthly essentials by 3 or 6 to get your target emergency fund amount. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, high-yield savings account so it's easy to access but not mixed with your everyday spending. High-yield savings accounts pay much higher interest than regular banks, sometimes 4 or 5 times more, while keeping your money safe and FDIC insured. Step 1. Open a dedicated, high-yield savings account, if you don't have one already. Step 2. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account every payday so the money moves without you thinking about it. Step 3. Start small. Even $50 or $100 per paycheck will add up faster than you think. Step 4. Increase the amount whenever you get a raise or cut unnecessary spending. Step 5. Treat your emergency fund like a non-negotiable bill. You pay to yourself first. Only use your emergency fund for true emergencies, not vacations, new gadgets, or regular expenses. This keeps it there when you really need it. Common mistake number 1. Keeping your emergency fund mixed in with your regular checking account. Common mistake number 2. Not having a separate emergency fund account at all. Common mistake number 3. Spending the emergency fund and never rebuilding it. Review your emergency fund every 6 months and adjust the amount as your life and expenses change. Aim to fully fund your emergency fund within 12 to 18 months if you're starting from zero. Once your emergency fund is full, you can redirect that automatic transfer into your long-term investments. Your emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects everything else you've built. Start today. Even a small amount is better than nothing. Every little bit gets you closer to financial security. You've got the $500. You've started the safety net. Now here's how to grow it into a real 3 to 6 month cushion without stress. Don't jump straight to 3 months of expenses. Keep the same monthly amount going. and hit $500 milestones one at a time. Some months drop to $250 or $300 if needed. Consistency beats big numbers every single time. Move it out of checking. Open a high-yield savings account and name it something you'll actually respect. Set the transfer for the day after payday. Make it automatic so you never have to decide again. Only true emergencies, never planned expenses. Rebuild the same month you use it, even if it's just $50. Once you hit 3 to 6 months, keep a small automatic transfer going forever and point the rest toward debt or investing. You now have the full system. Drop a comment with your current milestone and let's keep building. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results.